So if you're currently stuck in that skinny fat physique where you have a lack of muscle, you still have body fat you want to lose, but you're not sure whether you should go onto a bulk or whether you should go onto a straight up cut and get shredded, I kind of want to make this video to explain what I think is the best way to go about it and why I think you should get lean first. Because if you're skinny fat and there's areas you dislike, like the side boob, the lower back fat, the belly fat, whatever, either way, there's going to be some body fat in your body you currently dislike. If you go to straight towards like a bulk, you're more than likely going to make those areas worse, which means you're voluntarily saying, I'm going to look and feel worse physically and mentally for the next, 6 months, 9 months, depending on how long that bulk's going to be. Basically make it harder for you to get leaner by the end of it. So you're going to add more body fat. You're going to affect your confidence the whole time. If something like this pops up where it's a vacation and you're going somewhere nice and sunny like Lanzarote, which people say is not sunny and nice, but I'm here in February and it's lovely. I definitely recommend it. You're going to be there and take your shirt off and be like, I should have got lean. I should have lost some body fat first. And I've done that. I have been here before, skinny fat, and I have done a bulk, got here, take my shirt off and realize I want to put it back on. And I know that's quite a surface level thing and it's very vain or whatever you want to call it. But the bottom line is, if you feel like you look like crap or you feel like crap, it's going to affect your confidence and that's going to affect your quality of life. If you were to get lean first, yeah, you still might have muscle you want to gain, but if you do it as a recomposition, so instead of dropping your calories down massively low, do loads of cardio and getting skinny and looking like a starved child, it's better off to aim for a recomposition where you lose body fat and potentially still gain muscle. I have had people do that. You can gain muscle in a calorie deficit if things are set up properly. But if you get lean first, you're going to look and feel better throughout the whole journey. You're going to look more muscular because there's less body fat surrounding the muscle that you do currently have. If you have zero muscle and you're very skinny like how when I started, then you can still gain some muscle in a calorie deficit because your protein needs to be high. You're going to be lifting weights, you're going to be getting stronger, you're going to be overloading the body, so you can still get a little bit of newbie gains and gain some muscle whilst getting leaner. So you're kind of fixing both issues. You're getting rid of the skinniness and you're getting rid of the body fat. Then at the end of this, not only will you look and feel better, and if something pops up like a holiday or vacation or anything, your outfits, everything like that's going to look better and make you feel better, but it means that you're now prime position and you're set up to do a lean bulk. You can now reverse diet your calories and you can start to go on a bulk. Because you've gotten lean, you've got the foundation, you can start adding muscle, eating in a surplus, you're already in the momentum, you've already got the discipline, food's going well, training's going well, now you can gain a bunch of muscle, keep it as lean as possible, and then by the end of that bulk, if there is any body fat that you have gained throughout that process and you're thinking I don't like it, well, you've already done a recomposition, you've already got the experience, you already know what to expect, you can do it again and just tidy it up a little bit. So I know it's a bit, one-sided. I know the fitness industry is full of people saying, do it this way and do it that way, and this is right and that's wrong, and I always get comments of people going, no, that's wrong actually, and yeah, fine. This is my opinion, and it's based on helping over 205 skinny fat guys lose body fat and gain muscle at the same time, and it's based on my experience. And if you're skinny fat and you found this video, I think that's going to be the best option and the best way to help you. Okay, if you're not sure how to set up those numbers or how to do a recomposition, I do have a free nutritional blueprint. You're probably sick of me talking about it, but it's free and helps get you set up, and I needed that at the start. And I am taking on clients, right? Once every 6 months, I open my doors. Sounds a bit wrong, if I open my doors. So if you want my help one-to-one, to have personalized coaching, to give you accountability specifically for skinny fat, that's my niche, that's who I help. And I've got the proof of the guys right here. You could book a call with me down below. We can have a chat and see if I can actually help you out. If not, you can watch more videos to teach you how to fix skinny fat. Who would have thought? Yeah? Good luck.